400 meters, heading slightly right at the roundabout. Take first exit onto BV2428. Heading slightly right at the roundabout. Take first exit. Proceed about 5 kilometers on the current road.